Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I want to show you through a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport that just showed up. Great little boat for running around the shallows. Keep it in a small spot, keep it in your garage, or if you've got a smaller vehicle that you want to tow with. This thing only weighs 1,000 pounds, sopping wet with the engine, so you can tow it with whatever you have. And you still get that legendary Boston Whaler ride quality and durability, and unsinkable, foam filled, just like every other boat they make. This one comes equipped with a 40 horse Mercury, power trim, and even hydraulic steering with room for 4 people or 474 pounds. You just can't beat a boat for 13 foot long with all these amenities in it. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My information is right there below. Thanks.